Hello my good people, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to see this electric water pump. It's a simple one. So here it is. This is how it looks. So these are the details on the package. This is the it's the button. So here is where you fix this one. I'm going to show you how to fix it, and it comes with a straw, and this is the cable for charging it when it runs out. This is how to set it up. So this dispenser goes over here, and the straw, you place it here. So when it is like this, it is complete. That's how it looks. So let's go and try it out. We see how it works. So here is my water bottle, guys, and we are going to see practically how it works. So I'm going to fit in my electric pump over here. Got it like that. I'm using one hand. So once you've fitted it well, you can see that's how it looks. It's really grassy. So I'm going to use a glass and nipimisha vizuri, and here it is. Ouch! So that's how it works. And once umepata yenye unataka maji, you're good to go. So that's how it looks, guys. Sinika pretty.